Good day, everyone. As you can see, I am parked in the wilds, and I'm back to where I really enjoyed it last time. I did have a little Will with me, but I'm here on my own this time. So I'm just off for a wander about, possibly asking yourselves, why haven't you seen me? Well, when I came back from my outings, I only went home because I was due, because of my age. Thank you. I don't know whether that's too noisy or not, but I'm enjoying it. Yes, I came back off my travels purely to go home for a rest. And the other one was I was due, and the surgery, our local GP surgery, kept phoning and contacting to have my vaccinations for the COVID and the flu. So my daughter and I were going to go together, so we booked the same appointment. And when we were on our way to have our injections, we both agreed that we'd have the flu, but we didn't want the COVID jab anymore, because we've heard such a lot about it, and that there's been a lot of reactions. So I said, you know, I can ill do without being ill on demand like that. So we decided we'd just have the flu jab and call it a day. And we went in and explained that we only wanted the flu. So, because my daughter's surname is different to my name, because she's married, I was in a different queue. I went in, I pulled my sleeve up, and they just gave me the flu jab. So I sort of sat there talking to the nurse for just a few sentences, and I got up, grabbed my coat. I'd already pulled my sleeve down, grabbed my coat and started off towards the door, and that was the last thing I knew about. I ended up in hospital, I collapsed, and I'd had a reaction to the flu jab. I went out like a light. Muscle spasms, the pain was horrendous. You could take it from me, it was horrendous, the pain I was going through with muscle spasm. And, you know, all in all, I didn't fare up very well. But, all because of that now. They thought I was having a heart attack at the time, because of the muscle spasms across the top of my chest and all the way down my backs. It's muscles I haven't used for a long time. So now they've come to the conclusions that it isn't a heart attack. I'm still on drastically high blood pressure. If I bend over, I will faint. So yeah, my goodbyes. Oh dear. Oh mummy. Had a lot more problems than what I have. Yeah, so now they're treating me for very high blood pressure, and that means all because of that bloody vaccination, I am gonna go for the rest of my bloody time on drugs to keep my blood pressure down. Hell, it was annoying, and I am finding it annoying now. I'm glad I'm over the age now. I don't pay for prescription, but otherwise, you know, I think I would have been forking out quite a bit for it. I'm enjoying this little brook, and it's only just stopped raining. Last night I went through, and yesterday I went through that Storm Kerry, was it? Man alive, that shook. It's a long time since I've been out in a storm like that, and I hit a tree come down in front of me as I was driving along. Didn't have room to react or swerve. But it's taken all the aerials off my van. I haven't been up there yet to see if it's cracked or bust my solar panel. Now that the rain has stopped, I might go back up, but looking at the skies behind me, I don't think I'm going to be dry for long. So anyway, that's why you haven't seen me. So I thought I'd put this little short video up just to say that I've come back out. I've been out for a week now, but I haven't really felt like filming. Well, I haven't really been anywhere to film. I was going to that firework display at Willow Fields. Okay, it is 100 quid's worth of diesel to get all the way up this end of the country. And I'd got halfway on the day before the event, and I thought I'll pull over and I'll have a pub stop over, as you do. And whilst I was in the pub, I had a text message saying they'd cancelled. But I was already 3/4 of the way there, so I thought, sorry, they said I can go on up and entertain myself there. So that's what I did. I went up there and entertained myself, and there was still quite a few turn up. So, yeah, doesn't look right without the aerials up on there. I used to have about 6 or 7 aerials up on the roof, and the one day I got pulled over by a policeman asking me why I'd got so many aerials on the roof, and I said, well, to be quite honest, only 2 of them work, and the others are just for show. And he said, it's alright, I only pulled you over because he said it is the worst case of van aerial disease he'd ever seen. So anyway, I'm here. I've just driven about 20 minutes to get here, and it wasn't enough to recharge my batteries up, so I've just left it ticking over. That's why I'm out here over this side, listening to the river go by. Yeah, later I'll have the diesel heater on and the door open so I can watch and listen to it. I've got excellent download speeds on the internet, but poor upload. Not that I'm going to be doing any uploading. So anyway, I'm going to get in there, finish my cup of tea off, and where am I going from here? I'm going over to Preston, top side of Preston, for 4 days. But that won't be until Thursday. It's Tuesday the 16th now, so I'll have a couple of nights here. I might park here tonight and then move down in. There's another lay-by a bit further down the road, with a nice little brook running alongside it. It's quieter than this one, and there's benches and seats and everything down there, so I might just stay here, catch up with my YouTube videos, watch everybody that I haven't seen for a while, and yeah, right, I'll love you and leave you, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.